Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to clean copper jewelry. First, gather your supplies: a mild dish soap, warm water, and a soft, non-abrasive cloth. Mix a small amount of soap into a bowl of warm water. Dip your cloth into the soapy water and gently wipe down your copper pieces. Ensure you cover all surfaces to remove dirt and oils. Rinse the jewelry under clean water and dry it completely with a separate, clean cloth. For more stubborn tarnish, a natural acidic cleaner works wonders. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle a generous amount of table salt onto the cut side. Gently rub the lemon directly onto the tarnished areas of your copper jewelry. The acid in the lemon combined with the abrasive salt helps lift the tarnish. Alternatively, you can create a paste using lemon juice and salt. Apply it. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse and dry. Another effective method for removing tarnish involves white vinegar and salt. Mix 1/4 cup of white vinegar with 1 tablespoon of salt in a non-metallic bowl. Submerge your copper jewelry in this solution for up to 15 minutes. For very heavy tarnish, you can gently scrub the piece with a soft toothbrush while it's in the solution. After soaking, remove the jewelry, rinse it thoroughly under clean water, and dry it completely to restore its shine. After cleaning, you can enhance the shine with a dedicated jewelry polishing cloth. To prevent future tarnish, store your copper jewelry in an airtight bag or container, away from humidity and air exposure. Avoid wearing copper while swimming or using household cleaners, as chemicals can accelerate tarnishing. Regular, gentle cleaning every few weeks will keep your copper looking its best and prevent heavy tarnish from forming.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.